Good morning, all. I'm Dr. Shubhada Kamlapurkar, Academic Head and Founder Member of Dr. B.N. College of Architecture, Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha. Today, I'm going to talk about the master's courses in architecture. With the growing complexities in architecture and the growing needs, there is a competitive edge that is needed, and it's also a competitive world that is getting created because of the GATT policy. And there are many multinationals which are jumping into the Indian market and practicing here as architects. Similarly, there's also an opportunity to practice outside India. So it's a kind of win-win situation, I would say. An architect, after pursuing his bachelor's degree and further pursuing his master's, can contribute to the city and its development. He can also contribute to the new upcoming cities, townships, satellite towns. So he can contribute to both the urban development as well as the rural development. He can also work with companies like Godrej, Philips, work as a product designer, or work also on mega developments as a project manager. The scope is very vast. Broadly, the streams can be categorized into architecture, design, planning, and management for the master's courses. In design, there is masters in design, which is called MDes, product design, industrial design, set design, computer aided architectural design. Master's courses related to architecture are architecture, architectural conservation, urban design, landscape architecture, digital architecture, environmental architecture, computer applications, valuation and arbitration, building automation, rural architecture, regional architecture, sustainable habitat, human habitat, interior architecture, international architecture, and now the popular course is Indian knowledge systems. Master's courses related to planning are urban planning, regional planning, urban and rural planning, transportation planning and design, housing, environmental planning. Master's courses are also there in management, which includes construction management, project management, architecture and construction project management. While selecting the stream, it's important to understand your aptitude and inclination, your liking, and what you would love to do and enjoy it rest of your life. The question arises, how do you really select the institute? It's important to understand how the institute is established, how old it is, whether the courses are popular in that particular institute. You should also try to understand, I feel, the setup, the infrastructure, the faculty, their qualifications and expertise, the library, the collaborations which the institute has, and the kind of project students work on. The achievements also do play a very, very important role in making the decision, the achievements of the institute, I feel. It is important to have a good industrial connect, I feel, at least for the master's courses. If students get hands-on experience to work on the project in their studios itself, that will make them better and well-equipped professionals when they postgraduate. It is important to have a good industrial connect for master's courses. If students get hands-on experience to work on projects in the studio itself, that will make them better and well-equipped professionals when they postgraduate. BN College of Architecture has 3 courses. There's a course in environmental architecture, landscape architecture, and digital architecture. So these are the 3 important courses which are very, very popular at BNCA. If you are going to be working in India, I would recommend you take up master's program in India itself. Many of them are good, extremely good, and are par or I would say better than those outside India. I will like to talk a bit about BNCA master's courses. As you are aware, BNCA started Bachelor's in Architecture in 1994. After more than 10 years of its establishment and after reaching an intake of 160 students for the bachelor's program, we started this 3 masters program, actually 2 in 2006. That was the need of the hour because there was global warming that had started happening, and of course climate change. So from that point of view, we thought that we will have two important programs, much needed as the need of the hour, and that is our master's program in environmental architecture and master's program in landscape architecture. I'm fortunate to be one of the founder members of the master's program, and I was heading the department for the first 10 years. Master's program in landscape architecture is one of its kind in Maharashtra, whereas our environmental architecture program is one of its kind in India. In 2011, in keeping up with the latest trends in architecture, we started our third master's program, that is the digital architecture program, and we are proud of the infrastructure infrastructure support the course has, which is one of its kind in India. We have the robotic lab, the fab lab, the Capel lab, we have CNC machines and so on. What makes the courses unique at BNCA is the industry academia connect, the international collaboration 45+, which we have with various international universities, the awards we have fetched till now at international and national level, the diverse and high qualified faculty. So in short, this is the information of the master's courses in architecture, planning and management. Hope this helps you take the right decision. Best wishes to you in your future endeavors. Thank you.